Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl in, aka Diaries. If you've never seen my face before, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the fam. It's super lit. Today is Monday. This is, I guess, like the first, well, no, I guess technically yesterday was a full day without the kids because they left early.
An hour.
Yeah, so I guess it's technically day 2 of our kid-free week. We're on our way to the dispo to re-up, and then yeah, we're gonna hang out a little bit and then go ahead back to the house. We're gonna use today as like a chill day because we were out yesterday doing we tried Amazon Flex for the first time. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm pretty sure I'll put that up before this, so go check that out. But we did Amazon Flex, like just testing it out, seeing if we liked it. But yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog, and yeah, I'll see y'all when we do something.
This should be the right one, right? 14.
This look thick too.
That's what I was about to say. It says 14, and then that's the one we needed, was a 14.
What is up, y'all? Today is Tuesday. Yes, it's been a day since I checked in because yesterday was a chill day and we basically like slept all day. Just got our Dunkin'. We're gonna go check out this new hiking trail. We're at the gas station right now picking up some drinks. Well, Babe wanted some drink, a different drink, and then y'all saw I got me a matcha. We're down here at a state park. If you can hear it in the back, there's like this huge waterfall. We're trying to see how close we can walk to it to like see it.